Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to make a wall-mounted large LCD TV for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start the construction with a 2x10 plate, starting on the left with a 1x4 plate, followed by 4 2x4 flat tiles. Now these are going to be the screen, and we're going to finish this off with another 1x4 plate. Now take 10 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plates. We're going to place 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Now you really just can't flip this over because these are different heights, so we're going to have to back butter these, and we're going to go around the perimeter. Once the angular plates have been installed, we're going to finish them off with a 1x4 flat tile and a pair of 1x3 flat tiles. I'm going to do the same thing on this side with another 1x4 flat tile and 2 1x3 flat tiles. This will straighten everything up and secure the frame. And for speakers, let's take 4 1x2 radiator grills, place 2 on the left and 2 on the right hand side. Here we have a portion of a 7 brick high wall. Let's take our LCD TV and we're going to place it on these 2 bricks with studs. Just snaps right in place. Just hangs right on the wall. As you can see, it's even big for Jay the Surfer. He can watch the game on this or whatever he chooses to watch, maybe a surfing video.